Everyone's talking about Dubai real estate. But is it actually a gold mine or a trap? The ads promise passive income. The influencers flash luxury towers. And everyone from crypto kids to CEOs is claiming Dubai's the place to build wealth fast. But behind the skyline, there's a different story. Investors stuck in half-built towers. Rental properties are sitting empty. Developers are disappearing overnight. Some are doubling their money in months. Others are watching it vanish. So, what's really happening in Dubai? Who's winning? Who's getting wrecked? And how do you tell the difference before you enter the wrong deal? This isn't just another hype video. It's the story no one's telling, the one buried behind the Instagram views and rooftop drone shots. Because Dubai might be one of the biggest opportunities in real estate, or the most beautiful landmine you'll ever step on. Let's find out. On paper, Dubai looks like a real estate paradise. No property tax, no capital gains tax, rental yields that can hit 8–15%, a global hub for tourism, luxury, and high net worth individuals. Add to that, futuristic towers, endless sun, and a government aggressively pushing growth. And the content? Relentless. Developers fly influencers out to tour penthouses with infinity pools. Every ad screams passive income. Real estate agents promise returns that sound too good to be true. Buy off-plan today. Flip before it's finished. Zero taxes. High ROI. Minimal risk. It feels like a gold mine. Investors from all over Europe, Asia, Russia, and the crypto world are buying in fast. Dubai is positioned as the safe haven of modern real estate. And Dubai plays it perfectly. The skyline is a billboard. The lifestyle is the brand. The system is engineered to attract money. It's not just selling property, it's selling a dream. And dreams, when marketed well, don't just sell, they explode. But here's the thing. Every gold rush in history ended the same way: some got rich. Most didn't. And when everyone's buying in blind, the smartest question isn't, how much can I make? It's, what are they not telling me? Behind the shine, there's a darker side to Dubai real estate, and almost no one's talking about it. First, oversupply. Dubai builds fast. And when demand doesn't keep up, the result is entire zones of half-filled towers and empty apartments. Ghost neighborhoods that looked great on a brochure but never came to life. Then there's the flip culture. Many buyers aren't long-term investors, they're speculators. They buy off-plan, hoping to sell before the building is done. It's profitable until the market slows, construction stalls, or financing gets tricky. Suddenly, you're stuck holding a contract for a unit that might not even get finished. Next, regulation. While Dubai has made progress, it still lacks the investor protection frameworks seen in the US or Europe. Disputes over handovers, contract loopholes, or delivery delays can turn into expensive nightmares. And let's not forget history. In 2008, Dubai real estate collapsed. Prices dropped over 50%. Some projects vanished. It took years to bounce back. And yes, booms can repeat. But so can busts. Because when the marketing is louder than the paperwork, you need to ask, what's real and what's just wrapped in gold foil? Gold mine? Maybe. But every gold mine has collapse written somewhere in the dirt. Let's get honest. When it comes to Dubai real estate, not everyone's making money, but someone definitely is. First up, developers. They're the big winners. Off-plan sales are booming, and in many cases, developers collect cash before the first brick is even laid. They ride the hype, launch flashy showrooms, sell the dream, and move on to the next project. Next, marketers and influencers. The people selling the story are often the ones profiting most. Real estate agents, affiliate marketers, and YouTubers earn commissions on every sale they push. Whether the buyer wins or loses, that's not their problem. Then there are the early flippers investors who got in early, bought at launch prices, and cashed out before the crowd showed up. They made serious gains. But that's only possible when you're early in the cycle and lucky. Now, here's who's at risk: latecomers. The people are buying at peak hype, seduced by returns that may have already peaked, those who skip the research, those who trust the pitch without reading the fine print. The truth? Dubai real estate can absolutely make you money, but only if you know who's getting paid and why. Because if you don't see the game clearly, chances are you're the product. So, you still want in? You still want? Good. Because Dubai real estate can be a goldmine if you play it smart. Rule 1. Don't chase the dream. Study the deal. Skip the influencer tours. Read the contracts. Know the zones. Are you buying freehold or leasehold? Off-plan or ready? What's the actual completion rate of the developer? Rule 2. Forget fast money. Think long-term. Flipping works until it doesn't. Look for steady rental demand, not just hype around price appreciation. If your ROI only works when everything goes perfectly, you're already in trouble. Rule 3. Diversify. Don't put your life savings into a single unit based on vibes and drone shots. Dubai's market is dynamic, but also unpredictable. Rule 4. Hire a lawyer, not just an agent, a real one. Someone who works for you, not the seller. Dubai isn't dangerous, it's just not Disneyland. It's a real market with real risk. Play it smart, you might just win. Dubai real estate is booming, but that doesn't mean it's bulletproof. Yes, there's an opportunity. Yes, some are making serious money. But behind the hype is a market that rewards the informed and punishes the naive. So, is it a goldmine or a landmine? That depends on how you play the game. If you chase the dream without doing your homework, you're the exit strategy. But if you slow down, dig deep, and treat it like a real business, you just might strike gold. If you want more no BS breakdowns like this, hit like, smash subscribe, and keep your mind sharper than their marketing.